Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can format a USB drive on Windows. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, make sure your Windows is updated to the latest version available. After that, open the Disk PC or File Explorer application on your PC and all of the available disk drives will be displayed on your screen. Now, make sure to insert the flash drive you want to format into your PC and it will also be displayed here. Note that you should back up all of the data that is important and you do not want to delete. Once you have it backed up, simply right-click on the disk drive and select Format from the menu. After that, a new pop-up will open up. Inside it, the capacity will be auto-selected based on the storage space. You just need to select File System as NTFS as it is more secure, and then name it whatever you want. Now, checkmark this statement at the bottom and you're all done. You just need to click on the Start button and select OK to confirm the changes. Now wait for it to complete and you're good to go. So that's basically how you can format a USB drive on Windows. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.